In this video, we're going to give you an introduction to stock management. In a previous video, we covered the catalog management overview. And the big difference between the catalog and the stock location management is that the catalog really can be thought of as your library of materials. This could actually be materials that are active or inactive or deprecated. And the stock location is the physical places where you are managing your stocks and your fleet. Stock locations can be viewed by clicking the Stock tab. And up at the top, you'll be able to see a helpful little guide here as well during your onboarding process. Below, you'll be able to see your warehouses, and each of these cells signifies an active warehouse. A deactive warehouse will show as archived, and it'll be grayed out. You'll be able to manage your fleet, your field requests, your pick lists for your warehouse. You'll be able to see activity, and you'll be able to perform inventory cycle counts. Now let's head over to the warehouse and click on the warehouse here. Inside of the warehouse is all of the materials that make up what is currently available inside of that warehouse. You can transfer materials from your catalog directly into a stock location, or you can update those materials directly in the stock location by clicking Add New Material. Up at the left-hand corner, you'll be able to see the name of the stock location, its current address, and in the right-hand side, you'll be able to see some analytics around the stock location. So the last time I was updated, its current total value, the total number of tools, and the total number of materials. Additionally, you'll be able to track tools that are in this location, kits that are in this location. Replenishment lists are generated when an item goes below your min. So once your min and maxes are set, replenishment lists will be created out of that logic. And you can create a request by clicking all of the replenishment list items that are low and sending them over to the request section, which we'll cover in a later video. You'll be able to see some basic analytics like the total location value, movement statistics, and trending materials. Activity that was performed. So this will cover anything from movement, consumption, replenished. And you can see any active inventory counts specifically for this location. Now, if we head back over to materials, there are a couple of options I want to call out here. Anytime you see these three dots here, it means that there are some other additional actions that you can take specifically for this line item. So you'll be able to see edit availability here or deleting your item. You can search for an item, filter by an item, or add materials. Inside of each stock location, you'll also be able to bulk edit any of the items within that particular stock location. So think of this as like a giant Excel sheet that you can come in and make some mass changes as well. So if I didn't want this material in here, I could delete it out of my stock location. Or if I wanted to change locations, I can do that. Now let's head back over to stock locations, and let's go ahead and add a new truck. So I'm going to click Add New Truck. Fill in all the necessary information. And when you're ready, you can click Add New Truck. Because this is a demonstration account and sample account, I'm able to add an account. So make sure that you have your subscription up to date. And that's a quick overview of stock and stock management. Let us know if you have any questions.